That's sew.ai, Smart Energy Water.
First and foremost, thank you for this recognition, and it's an honor to be here to receive this award. I'm standing here on behalf of SEW and the team of passionate individuals who are working every day to build the future of energy and water. Our vision is simple and bold: engage, educate, and empower with billions of people with digital platforms. And I think we are living in a times when the way people interact with their energy and water providers are fundamentally changing. And climate changes, grid modernization, AI, e-mobility, increasing customer expectations, and evolving energy demands are putting a lot of pressure. I think that's where the utilities are looking for solution, and SEW addresses the global challenges of energy and water to provide them with the digital solutions. And as a founding member of SEW, I am very proud to share that what we started back the journey in 2014 in North America, today we are serving 1.4 billion people on our platform in over 45 plus countries, and with a global strength of 1,500 plus SEW warriors. And that's a remarkable achievement. And as we look forward, I think utilities are looking for the ways to not just automate, but also to empower their customers and their workforce. And that's where we bring the vertical AI approach, where we have a very deep focus on people, and we are rooted in the realities of energy and water ecosystem. And we believe that when technology is integrated with the people, it enables them to make smarter decisions about their energy and water management. So I think it's really about the impact that we create, and imagine a customer who wants to have a complete control and visibility of their utility usage on their fingertips, or a field technician who wants to have access to the real-time information on the palm of their hands. That's what we have built today, the digital platforms, the global AI platform, and we are impacting and leading that change today. So I think it all comes down to our people, and what makes today's movement meaningful is the journey behind it. And once again, I want to take this opportunity to thank the extraordinary team of SEW, the passionate individuals who work day and night, and who are the problem solvers, the dreamers, and without whose passion and commitment we have built this platform as the #1 choice of the utilities. So thank you so much, and these recognitions are a reminder that when we lead with purpose, we not just build platforms, but we also create movement. And we are already, SEW is leading that movement, and we are committed to keep innovating, keep serving the industries, keep serving the communities better with our digital platforms. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,